Hi guys, happy new year to everyone, and we'll start with the ROS2 basics, how to install and what is the topic and what's the node and what's the service parameters. Things we'll see in this video tutorial, and turtle sim controlling also we'll see. And previously we saw how to control the turtle board using a teleoperation, and how to configure a turtlebot 3 in ROS2 humble version, and you will understand the flow of this AMR thing to education purpose also, research purpose also we can use a turtlebot. So only start with the turtlebot, and after that we'll start with an UIDF created using ChatGPT. Next we'll start with a difference between ROS and ROS2 or also noit equation using Docker container I use in my system, and humble version. So what's the difference between those, the master slave communication and DDS, that workstation creation, and these things we saw in uh, that tutorial. And we'll see this tutorial how to install the humble version in our system. So open the terminal by Ctrl Alt T, and I will share the documentation in my description. You can follow that. And I already download the ROS version, but once again I will explain this. So first we need to set up the locals. So copy and paste, enter the password. So it will take some time. So you start with some first time means I already installed this. Next next we need to install these properties. After this, and also in previous videos we saw in Noitic version how to create a UIDF using Fusion 360, like that we'll see in ROS2 also how to create a UIDF in Fusion 360 for ROS2 version. We'll see in upcoming video. And we see in how to create a AMR using Jetson Nano. I need to post some videos. I already created those things. In upcoming weeks I will post those things. You will understand the flow and how to make a AMR using Jetson Nano. And after this you need to copy this command, and this is a public key. I already downloaded this. Okay, after this we need to use this key, this apt command, sudo apt install ROS humble full desktop. So this single line command will install the entire version of ROS humble in your local OS system. So that's a matter. After install this we'll start with an tutorial. So okay, we install the ROS on our system. Next, where these files are located, right? So first we need to source, so only the terminal will understand where is exactly the files are located. Source ROS humble, next setup.bash. So you can see here the opt ROS humble. So these packages are inside the opt, in opt ROS, then ROS to humble version. So escape from home directory and type opt, and here you can see the ROS, give ls and humble version. Okay, you can see here these things are all of the ROS humble versions, dependencies package and the apt packages. So go to live. So this many apt and the sources packages are installed here, the ROS2 navigation and the cartographer, Titlebot. Those things are downloaded here in opt ROS humble version. So only we need to source the terminal. Source opt ROS humble setup.bash, right? So we understand this workflow and where the installed packages or will be available. So after sourcing, we have the example of this publisher and subscriber like talker and listener. So copy this, always type ROS2 run demo ROS2 demo C plus plus or talker, right? So this will be published the hello world variable or data. So now, okay, we'll minimize the screen. So this talker node is publishing the hello world, and open the another terminal, type ROS2 run demo node, type pi and listener. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see here I am launched the C++ thing, CBP node, and here I launched the Python thing. So the C++ is an publisher or talker, and Python is an listener. So hello world data is transmit between Python to C++ to Python node. So here is hello world is publishing, the talker is publishing, and the listener is receiving, like publishing and subscribers. So data is the hello world is transmitted between those two nodes. You can see the hello world 18 here, 18, 19, 19. So now it's publishing, right? So we'll use the RQD thing, type RQD and close these things here, intersection and node graph. So you can see here in RQD visualization toolkit, using this you will understand the talker and the listener. So the talker is publishing the hello world using a topic of chatter to listener. So this chatter is like a communication protocol. So this chatter is connected the node of listener from talker to listener using this chatter command, right? Is an topic, and these two are node. Okay, we'll close this RQD first. Okay, now we understand how it's working, right? So type ROS2 topic list. So you can see here the topic I already said, right? The chatter is a topic for this publisher on. So using this chatter, these things is publishing the hello world to the listener. So now you can type ROS2 node list. So you can see the talker and the listener is a node. So this is a talker and this is a listener. So I already mentioned that ROS topic list, so chatter. So using this chatter, these two nodes are communicating, right? Understand, right? So type ROS service list. So this many services are available in these two nodes, the talker and the listener. So this is like request and response. It will be request, you need to receive this data and you need to give the response to the receiver data. Like it will be send the request to the listener node, and listener node will be give the response to the publisher node. Like that, the working of the service things is going on, right? So this is a thing you will understand the topic, service, and parameters. And next we'll see. Next we start with an turtle sim publishing. The turtle sim is a 2D simulator like stuff. So you will understand something from that. In documentation, you can scroll it here, and this node will be published. Okay, now we'll understand from this. We'll close this. Now the turtle sim is published, right? Now we need to control this turtle sim. For that, we have ROS2 run turtle sim teleop, right? So this node will be control the turtle sim by using a keyboard. So here we have the turtle sim. So now we are going to control the turtle sim by using a keyboard arrow keys. So the forward and the backward thing is going on, right? So in our next video we'll see how to make the customized node for controlling this, or and make the shape of like a circle, a triangle, rectangle, curves, how to use our own node programming thing using a Python, and we'll control the turtle sim first. Then that is the next tutorial. Okay, now we'll open the QD graph and type RQT. Now you will understand plenty of things, right? So turtle sim and teleop turtle. So using the CMD world, these things is publishing the velocity to move the turtle sim from one location to another location. So these all are the parameters or service, and it will be give a request and response thing and give the feedback. I moved from this location to this location. This is the parameter thing. Like that, it will be give the feedback to the turtle sim and the teleoperation node. So that's the thing. We'll see in next video how to control this turtle sim using our customized node to draw the circle, triangle, and rectangle like stuffs. Okay, thank you.